the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. Let's just get this open. It's a little sneaky. It's got a little side opening for it here. See? Opens up. If you look here, some kind of interesting drawing of how it works with a phone. And App Store, Google, I guess there's software as well. Go grab this thing out. Whoa, what's in here? This opens up, slides out. Oh, the DJI. Look at the logo. So awesome. It's really solid feeling, really nice finish. Edges are really in great shape. Oh, what's this? Little thing came out right there. Let's put that back in. I think that's our interface section. Sliding it out. So little! And this is the holder here. Wow. Look at that. This is a tag to be removed. Here's a little tag that's to be removed. And then we have another tag here. Slides out. Oh, there's a little tag on the front piece there. Okay, good to know. Nice. Put that down. And we go to the rest of the box here. Box inside. Open that up. Now this is the more involved package. So it's got the microphone. Oh, this is actually a foam. Sorry, this is a windscreen for the microphone. And here it is. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a tribble. It's like a little tribble. Anybody remember that Star Trek episode, Trouble with Tribbles? Now this is like a little, looks like a wide angle lens adapter. Boy, this plastic they put it in is super stretchy. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, so this is the adapter that makes it an even wider angle. See that? Wow. There. Boy, it's got everything in here. It's only little things. There's another adapter, so you can plug it into your phone as a monitor or something. Whoa. Some kind of button. Love the sound. Anybody remember the Mattel football games? Pass. Yeah, that might be before your time. There's another adapter. This is for your iPhone. I'm also hoping it'll work on an iPad. There, see? And, whoa, this one will hopefully work with other Android devices. See? Same connector for the camera, but for Android devices. Some just silica gel. Ooh, cables. USB-C 3, USB, this is probably charging. Oh, a little cable to hold it on your wrist. It's like a little wrist cable. Then inside we got another box. That comes out. In here we have, I don't know what we have in here. Looks like paperwork. Yeah, lots of paperwork. There's the Pocket Combo paperwork, Creator Combo, because I'm in the Creator. Some stickers. Stickers are always fun. You know what's more fun? Sweetwater always sends you candy with whatever you order from them. I think everybody should try and be doing that, not just stickers. And then inside here is a whole bunch of other accoutrements. Down here looks like a little tiny stand. Oh my gosh, really nice feeling. It's so hefty. It feels like a shuriken throwing star. Wow, it's so nice and hefty. This is the extender for the wireless receiver for the microphone. Here is our microphone unit with a built-in clip. Here's our top part. There's the mic section right there. USB-C cable for charging. Oh, this is the bottom plate, so you can put it on a tripod if you want. And that is the unboxing of the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo.